Okay. I'm going to just... Jesus. Oh, this is stressful. Lay it down. Oh, too close. Spin, 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 spin. Bring it on out. Hello, and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. It's blind challenge time. A couple of weeks back, Casey of CWV Artistry, who comes after me, challenged us to a blind challenge paint pour. So that's what we're doing this week. We don't have any exact rules put down other than you got to be blindfolded. And I mean, I picked my colors because they're just the colors I already had out already. So it's not like I did anything special there. Same colors I used in last week's painting and the week before that, basically. I am going to, and I don't know if this is cheating and I don't want it to be, but just for safety purposes and so I don't spill any of the cups that are wide open, I'm just going to say, Keith, hand me a paint. And I'm not going to know the color or anything, and he's just going to hand it to me so I know. Now I know that my cell activator is over here, and I'm hoping I can find that without the help. And I got my swiper over here. I'm going to try to do a radial swipe blindfolded. I don't know if I'm making it harder on myself, but go big or go home, right? So I have this piece that I didn't like the cloud pour, so we're pouring over it. This blindfold, I could technically see through it, but it's so tight on my eyes that my eyelids have to be closed or else it's laying on my eyeballs. And so I can't see. I can't see without my glasses anyways. So we're going to put this on and have it all bunched up so it's as thick as can be and as tight as can be. Okay, oh shoot. All right. I'm trying. See. Okay, I need the base paint, which is the big green one. Okay, thank you. I do need that. I can specifically say that because I need this one on. Now, it's going to be tough because I have no idea how much I'm pouring out. Ooh, this is nerve-wracking. I'm having a little bit of a panic attack. Hold on. All right, we're just going to go for it. I don't even know if it's pouring out. Is it pouring out yet? Is anything even pouring out yet? Can you tell me that?
Yes.
It is.
Almost empty.
Okay. Okay. Let's screw it. Okay. Can you set that back down so it doesn't knock anything over? Thank you. All right. Okay. Feels like... Okay. Hand me a color, please. I am going to drizzle my colors. Hopefully I'm actually making it on the thing. This is like crazy. Now there is one of my paints that's in a bottle, and I will specifically ask for that one when I need it. Okay, let's try another color, please. Another color, please. And I can attest that I did not specifically tell Keith what colors to give me in advance. I'm being all up on the straight up. I just didn't want to make a mess and spill what little paint I have left. How many more colors do I have? I should have kept count in my head. I think that was 3 already. 4. He's not going to tell me. Oh. Am I at least making it on the circle? Will you tell me that at all? Jesus Christ. He's not going to tell me anything. Next color should be, I'm thinking one more than the bottle. But I'm not, can't remember if I put out 5 colors or 6, so there's that. I feel like this is the green because it's so thick and I had a lot of it. There's a lot. Bottles, okay. Is the bottle open? It is now. Okay. Ooh. So I got my spatula. I got my cell activator, which is the same color as the base. I'm going to try that out, see how that works. And I'm going to just try to do this myself. I just need to know if it's actually covered. Ugh. It should be covered, right? Okay, I guess I will feel around the edges. Feels covered to me. Okay, let's put that there. All right, where am I? Ah, this is exhausting already. Okay. I'm going to just, Jesus. Oh, this is stressful. Lay it down. Oh, too close. Spin, 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 spin. And bring it on out. Okay. Just hoping that worked. All right. Now we spin. Okay, how do I know when to stop spinning? Well, I guess you check your edges. Ooh, my edges. There we go. These ones are dry. All right, spin some more. Now, I love this spinner. You made the best spinner for the record. Okay, this still feels dry over here. How do I get it to this side? So I feel like we're getting it way off on that side, not on this side. Ooh, I just stuck my finger in it. How far did I push it? Where am I at? Okay. Thing will spin all day if I let it. Ooh! Am I touching it? Am I on my... I don't know where I'm at. Okay, that's that. And then I'm getting into a lot of paint. I can't... Oh my god. Keith, I need help. I can't tell if I'm... What am I touching? Am I messing up my painting? Can you tell me if I'm messing up my painting?
It's on the spinner.
Huh?
That's the spinner.
I'm still just touching the spinner. Yes. Okay, shoo. I can't find my painting. Okay. There's so much paint on the thing. Okay, there it is. There it is. Apparently I put way too much. Okay, now, are we over the edge here yet? Doesn't feel like it, but we're close. Can you tell me that? Anything? I'm just worried about the extra paint flying off and hitting me. Okay. I need a paper towel. Can you hand me a paper towel? Reveal it to myself? Is that what you said?
Reveal it to yourself.
Reveal it to myself.
What did you do?
What did I do? You got me really scared. Is it that bad? Okay. Here we go. Oh, good Lord, that's horrible. Oh, my God, that's horrible. I just stuck my whole boob in that. We call that a nip dip. You know. Oh, yeah. Oh, we know I can't leave it like that. So I failed miserably. That was tough. Well, that cell activator didn't seem to work either. For the record.
You didn't put very much on it.
But I mean, what the heck? Why is that all? I do have lacing all through there. It just did that on its own.
Well, pretty much.
Okay, so we've established I failed the blind challenge. So now I have to try to just fix the painting. It's kind of cool. It's not too... I mean, I hate it. So let's recap. Or let's discuss, shall we? Yes, I technically failed this challenge because I, from here, destroy the painting and start all over again. I don't hate it as much as I thought I did when I first took my blindfold off. I liked the lacing and stuff that it did. I didn't do that. It did that by itself. And it's really beautiful and colorful. And it breaks my heart that I didn't just keep spinning it out from there. I'm just too much in my head all the time, judging myself harshly. I need to really stop doing that. So it is what it is. I wish I would have just spun it out and kept going. Because I think it really could have been something interesting. Even if I would have done it one more swipe, I know, I mean, it would have been over. The contest was over. As soon as I took my blindfold off, there was nothing I could do to fix it that would be right for the competition. I had already failed that. We have already established that, and that's fine. But now I have a painting I have to deal with, and I'm just bummed I didn't keep going with this. So, you'll have to wait till probably next week to see the piece that I did make out of it. But yeah, this was still so much fun. And the lessons I'm learning about slowing down, getting out of my head, and everything are so needed these days. But okay, it is what it is. Thanks so much for watching and joining us for another week of the Creative Art Collective, brought to you by the amazing Taslima Maya Art, who was up before me. And then there's me, Let's Pour with Patty, followed by the incredible Casey of CWV Artistry, and Sheldon Briscoe of Shell Rock Art is still on a break. We really do miss you, Sheldon. You will find our playlist in my description below. So if you liked what you saw, how about smashing that like button? Leave me a comment, and hopefully, even though it was a failure, I could earn your subscription today. And as always, keep creating, my friends. See you next time. Bye.